Invictus Click is the easy-to-install luxury vinyl floor. A few rules and the right tools are all you need. Store the boxes in the room the floor will be installed in. Acclimatize for 24 hours at room temperature. Carefully read the installation guideline. Scan the QR code on the box to read the manual online. To install Invictus Click, all you need is a few basic tools. The subfloor must be hard, clean, dry and smooth. Make sure floor level deviation is a maximum of 5 mm per 2 meters. When the subfloor is unlevel or uneven, apply a leveling compound. Invictus Click can also be installed on tiles. They must be properly bonded and free of cracks. Fill the grouts of ceramic tiles when these exceed 6 mm in width and 4 mm in depth. Your Invictus floor is compatible with underfloor heating. When the area exceeds 20 meters in width or length, use expansion joints to divide the space. Use boards from the same batch and always check the boards for defects before and during installing. Invictus Click has an integrated sound backing layer to increase the acoustic performance and evens out small imperfections of your subfloor. Do not use an extra underlay underneath. Place a first board against the wall. Use this board as an alignment guide. It is critical to keep the first 2 rows straight as they are the foundation for the rest of the installation. Take a board and angle it into board 0 and drop down. Ensure there are no gaps. Place the next board at a low angle into board 0, then slide until the short sides make contact. Drop the short side down. Firmly press the joint down with the thumb to connect. Then use a hard PVC mallet and tap the joints to secure the locking. Place board 3 against the wall as an alignment guide. Angle board 3 into board 2. Angle the next board into board 3, then slide until the short sides make contact. Drop and lock by pushing down firmly. Use a hard PVC mallet to tap the joints. Make sure there are no gaps or height differences. Start your second row by using a half board. Cut your board decor side up. Angle this piece into board 1. Repeat the same steps as above to finish the row. Use a small leftover piece, place it into the groove and tap with your mallet until the joints are completely closed. To measure the last board of the row, mark the cutting line and cut with a utility knife. Remove the alignment boards by angling them out. Place the spacers along the walls to create an expansion gap of 8 mm. Then gently slide the 2 rows towards the spacers and the wall. If slight gapping is noticed, disassemble the row. Lift up the entire row, then disassemble by sliding the boards apart on the short side. The boards need to lay perfectly flat. If you cannot slide the panels apart, the locking is not fully engaged. You need to tap them with the mallet and then slide out. Continue the installation as you finish the first 2. Always check the joints for possible dust or debris during installation. Remove with a small brush or vacuum. Installing tiles is similar to installing boards. Cut a new tile exactly in the middle. Use this piece to start a new row. Take a new full tile, place it into the groove and slide until the short sides make contact. Drop and lock by pushing down firmly. Tap the joints with the mallet to secure the locking. Measure the distance from the wall. Mark the cutting line and cut. Use the pull bar to lock the tiles together. Continue the installation as you finished the first two. Measure the remaining width from wall to the top side of the last board and mark this width on your board. Cut the full length using a ruler and utility knife. Use the pull bar to lock the boards together. Measure the distance from the center of the pipe to the surface of the installed board. Mark this distance on your new board. Use a round drill to cut out the diameter of the pipe, plus an extra 8 mm for the expansion gap. Make a cut on both sides of this opening to the edge of the board. Attach 2 pieces of tape on the back of the plank. Place the loose piece onto the tape. Scotias should be attached to the wall, never to the floor. You must keep the recommended expansion gap so the floor can contract and expand freely. Keeping your floor in mint condition is easy. Vacuum, sweep or dust mop regularly. Occasionally clean with water and a cleaning agent. No, you can't go wrong with the special Invictus PU cleaner. A damp mop is okay, no need to flood the floor. Wipe spillages immediately to avoid staining. Protect your floor by using felt pads under chair legs. As rubber may cause discoloration, always choose non-rubber casters and mats. Enjoy your Invictus floor.